Hi, I'm Alena from DataCamp, and I'm excited to share with you the latest courses, skill tracks, projects, and DataCamp Workspace features we've released in the past months to help you build modern data and AI skills. In the last episode of What's New in DataCamp, we talked about the new Introduction to ChatGPT course. Today, we're happy to announce 5 new AI courses that our team released in the past months, alongside 15 other new courses, skill tracks, practice pools, and projects. We'll start by covering the new and existing AI content, then move to data literacy courses and case studies designed for everyone on your team, then cover new skill tracks for business and data analysts, and finish the content news off with courses and projects for data experts. Feel free to scroll this video using the named chapters to learn about the topics that matter the most to your organization. First, let's cover our brand new AI curriculum. To help you stay ahead of the curve with the generative AI revolution, we have released 4 new conceptual courses, including Understanding Artificial Intelligence course, the Generative AI Concepts course, Implementing AI Solutions for Business course, and the Large Language Models Concepts course. These courses help anyone from business leaders to frontline workers understand key concepts related to ChatGPT and similar tools, identify potential business use cases and limitations, and gain confidence when working with AI systems. These courses do not require any coding experience, take about 2 hours each to complete, and happen directly in the browser with bite-sized videos and interactive exercises. For a more technical audience, you can explore the Working with OpenAI API course, which provides hands-on experience working with OpenAI API in Python for real-world use cases. The course consists of 12 videos, 36 interactive exercises, and takes about 3 hours to complete. We have developed our AI curriculum in collaboration with experts from Google, Microsoft, and more. So make sure to include these courses in your learning pathways to give your learners a chance to learn from the industry experts. Now that we've talked about the courses that can help you build AI literacy, let's move to the new content available for data literacy programs. The new Introduction to Data Ethics course highlights how data ethics can promote fairness, reduce biases, and promote social good while addressing data protection, security, and transparency. It is designed with everyone in your organization in mind, as we all need to understand how to use data responsibly and ethically. By completing this course, learners will gain practical skills, including drafting informed consent forms and identifying the ethical impacts of data operations. The Introduction to Data Culture is designed for leaders on your team, looking to lead by example and galvanize a strong data culture. From this course, you'll discover how different roles can contribute to building and improving data culture within your organization. Next, for data literacy programs, we have released 2 new data storytelling case studies, College Majors and Green Businesses. Case studies are an awesome way to apply best data storytelling practices learned from courses to a real business case. Learners will have an opportunity to master using key elements of a data story, such as building narrative arcs, establishing a data foundation, leveraging visualizations, and using color and labels to aid communication. Case studies do not require any coding background and can be completed right in the browser. For teams looking to fill in Power BI and Tableau skill gaps, we have recently released 2 new skill tracks, the Power BI Case Studies track and the Tableau Case Studies track. These tracks complement the existing Data Analyst with Power BI and Data Analyst with Tableau career tracks to help you encourage skill application on real-world scenarios. The great thing about Tableau and Power BI courses is that all the learning happens right inside the browser, and learners do not need to install any additional software. The Power BI Case Studies track consists of 8 case studies and includes such challenges as analyzing customer churn, analyzing job market data, HR analytics, inventory analysis, supply chain analytics, analyzing healthcare data, competitor sales analysis, and mortgage trading analysis, meaning any department and industry can find a case study to their liking. The track takes about 24 hours to complete. The Tableau Case Studies track features 6 case studies, including analyzing customer churn, analyzing job market data, HR analytics, e-commerce analysis, inventory, and supply chain analytics. The track takes around 17 hours to complete. Last but not least, for beginner data and business analysts, we have launched the Introduction to Excel course. This course features data preparation techniques and serves as the foundation for the upcoming Excel content. Now, let's move up the technical spectrum and talk about the content for your data scientists, data engineers, and machine learning engineers. First, we have released a new MLOps Fundamentals skill track, which serves as a foundational conceptual track for organizations looking to adopt best MLOps practices. This skill track covers the complete life cycle of a machine learning application, ranging from the gathering of business requirements to the design, development, deployment, operation, and maintenance stages. It comprises 6 courses, including the new Developing Machine Learning Models for Production course, and takes around 14 hours to complete. Second, for data engineers, we released a new course on one of the most foundational data engineering technologies, the Introduction to Docker course. From this course, learners will gain hands-on experience in creating and managing Docker containers, using Docker files, and Docker file instructions. This course contains 15 videos, 56 interactive exercises, and takes around 4 hours to complete. Our data engineering curriculum is being significantly extended this year, and last month we released 3 new data engineering projects, helping learners master working with such modern data warehouses as Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift. In the Exploring London's Travel Network project, learners will work with the London transit data between 2010 and 2022. They will write SQL queries to find the most popular transport methods, examine when the Emirates airline cable car was particularly busy, and identify rare periods when the underground was less busy. Sounds exciting? Make sure to include it into your learning paths for data engineer persona, or assign this project to your team looking to develop their data engineering skills. Last but not least, for data scientists, we have released 2 new courses in Python. The Introduction to Deep Learning with PyTorch covers the fundamentals of one of the most popular deep learning libraries. It comprises 16 videos, 50 interactive exercises, and takes around 4 hours to complete. Lastly, the new Discrete Event Simulation in Python course helps learners drive efficiencies across manufacturing, transportation, logistics, and supply chain industries. Through discrete event simulation, learners can optimize the processes run in parallel or in a sequence, and this way influence profitability, help tackle bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation. Before we jump into the DataCamp Workspace updates, I wanted to celebrate a milestone for DataCamp Certifications. Last month, we reached 5,000 professionals awarded with data scientist, data analyst, and data engineer certifications. We are proud to be recognized as the #1 data analytics certification by Forbes and are really excited for the certifications to become the industry standard. DataCamp certifications are included with your DataCamp for Business subscription, so check them out to drive employee retention and support professional development. Last but not least, let's cover what's new to DataCamp Workspace. DataCamp Workspace is a modern data science notebook in the cloud that helps your learners apply the skills to your organization's business problems. Along with powering curated DataCamp projects, Workspace can be a great tool for data analytics and data science that suits any skill level. In the last episode of What's New in DataCamp series, we talked about the new AI assistant that generates Python, SQL, and R code for you and helps you fix any errors. Now it's even easier to start collaborating with AI to analyze your data. Just load your dataset or connect a database and click the button to ask AI to help you analyze it. We have numerous pre-built datasets and project templates available, so anyone can find something to experiment with AI Copilot. Second, to present compelling data stories to your stakeholders, you can now switch on the reader mode. The reader mode will hide the code cells and will only show the visuals, text, and other cell inputs, such as data tables. Third, with Workspace, it's now easier than ever to repeat a certain analysis with scheduling. You can configure your notebook to run on a daily or weekly basis and track the changes between the runs from the version history. With Workspace, you can automate such tasks as metrics reporting, forecasting, and create scheduled data apps with little to no coding experience. Check out DataCamp Workspace for your team to fully leverage data skills learned on DataCamp. Visit Workspace website and book a demo to see how it can enhance your data initiatives across the whole organization. Thank you for tuning in to learn about the recent updates from DataCamp. We hope you are excited about the new AI and data literacy courses, Power BI and Tableau case study tracks, top-notch content on MLOps, Docker and Python, and the recent updates to DataCamp Workspace. Don't forget to check the links in the video description and request a demo for your team with one of our experts. Or if you are existing DataCamp for Business customer, make sure to speak with your dedicated customer success manager. See you very soon. Bye-bye.